This is the Meinl Turbo Slaptop Cajon we're going to demo today. Here we go. It's brand new. I just got it. I love it already. Are you ready? Okay, it's got like 4 different sectors of the drum. These are snares out here. Hear them rattling. And then there's a high tom here, or an open snare drum without the snares on. Nice rich percussive sound there. And then your bass is out here. Okay. The handy thing about having a snare on both sides is because you can change your beat, kind of invert it. Or if you're a right-hander or a left-hander, real easy to switch up. You always have a snare in reach. So here we go. That's about it for the Meinl Turbo Slaptop Cajon. I really love the thing. It's got the rubber pads here for your thighs, so it's very comfortable. And then foot pads here to set it on, so it looks like a nice coffee table when you're not using it. Everybody's going to want to play it. And I think everybody should get one. They're a blast. Thank you. Have a good day.